Hey, hey, hey. It's Trish with Ride to Independence. In this episode, we're going to talk about business insurance. I've been running my senior concierge service for almost a decade now. And before that, I had a preschool music business for 18 years. So trust me, I know what it takes to run a business. And while I never had to file a claim, I always had insurance in place because that protection gave me the peace of mind that I needed. So today I want to share why that same protection could make all the difference for you. Let's get to it. When it comes to business insurance, there isn't just one kind. There are actually several different types, and which ones you need really depends on your business. Let's break down a few of them. First, there's general liability insurance. This is the most common. It's your basic protection if someone gets hurt or their property gets damaged because of your business. Think of it like your lawsuit shield. Then there's professional liability insurance, sometimes called errors and omissions. This is especially for people who give service or advice. If made a mistake or didn't deliver what you promised, this is a coverage that protects you. Another big one is commercial property insurance. This covers your physical stuff, your office, equipment, or inventory. If something happens, like a fire or a theft, even if you run a business from home, your homeowner's policy won't usually cover your business losses, so this can be important. Now, if you're just starting out, you might want to look into a business owner's policy, a BOP for short. That's basically a bundle that combines general liability and property insurance, and it's usually cheaper than buying them separately. If you have employees, you'll need a workman's compensation insurance. It's usually required by law. It covers medical bills and lost wages if an employee gets hurt on the job. Here's something most people don't think about. You probably already have car insurance, right? But what happens if you're driving for work and get into an accident? Or worse, a client claims you were negligent. That's where commercial insurance and business insurance steps in. Commercial auto insurance is designed for vehicles used in business. If you're driving clients, making deliveries, or using your car to earn income, your personal auto policy won't cover you. Commercial insurance protects you with high liability coverage, protects you if you're being sued after a work-related accident, and it gives you a peace of mind knowing your claims won't be denied for business use. But driving isn't the only risk. Business insurance fills the gap that have nothing to do with your car. It protects you if someone sues your company, gets injured during your services, or even if you accidentally damage property while working. Let me give you some examples. How about you own a catering business? You cater a corporate lunch, but one guest gets food poisoning and decides to sue your company. Business insurance can help cover medical costs, legal defense, and settlements, so one lawsuit doesn't have to shut you down. How about if you own a landscaping business? You're mowing a lawn. A rock flies out and breaks a customer's window, or a client trips over your equipment. Business insurance covers the property damage, the injury, and even the legal bills if it goes to court. Transportation business. How about if a client slips getting out of your car and breaks their wrists? They might want to sue you for negligence. Now, I just went over a lot of different types, but if you're just starting out, here are the three most important ones to think about. General liability insurance. It protects you if someone gets hurt or their property is damaged. Commercial auto insurance covers you if you're driving for your business, because personal car insurance usually won't. And business owner's policy, BOP. That's a bundle that combines liability and property coverage, and it's usually more affordable for small businesses. With these three, most small businesses will have a strong foundation of protection without feeling overwhelmed. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this episode gives you clarity on why business insurance are a must-have if you're serious about protecting your work and your future. And if this sounds overwhelming, don't worry. I've created an easy to follow e course that walks you step by step through everything you need to know about starting and protecting your business. From choosing the right insurance policy to handling clients and claims, it's all there. You'll find my email address in the show notes. And don't forget to stay tuned for my next senior living episode. How does intermittent fasting help me stay healthy and fit? And how it can help you? You won't want to miss this one. It's dropping on Thursday. And please subscribe to follow. And until next time, we're turning dreams into reality, one ride at a time.